Good morning, Ryan. You look half asleep today.
Maybe I am. I stayed up late watching movies.
Oh no. That's why you need this coffee. Here, take a sip.
Thank you, Mia. You always save my mornings.
That's what I do. Welcome back to Talk Café English, everyone. We're sitting here at our favorite little rooftop cafe, and today's lesson is all about greetings and daily life.
So, we're teaching English, but in a fun way, with coffee and conversation.
Exactly. We talk, you listen, and you learn. Easy, right?
Totally. Okay, so greetings, that means how we say hello, right?
Right. So, say this after me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And when it's time to go, we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Perfect. Now, let's have some fun. I'll greet you, and you answer me. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, Ryan.
Hello, Mia.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
It's not evening yet, Mia.
True, but you answered right. That's good English learning with a smile.
I like this kind of lesson. It feels like chatting with a friend.
That's the goal. Learning English should feel easy and fun.
So, Mia, how do I greet people politely in the morning?
You can say, "Good morning, how are you?"
Oh, that's nice. And they say, I'm fine, thank you.
Exactly. Simple, clear, polite.
Okay, I'll try. Good morning, Mia. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Ryan. And you?
I'm fine too.
Great job. Now, everyone listening, say it with us. Good morning, how are you? And I'm fine, thank you.
See, that's easy.
English is easy when you practice every day. Speaking of practice, let's learn some numbers.
Oh no, math time?
Don't worry, it's just simple counting. Ready?
Ready.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Good. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Now 6 to 10. 6,
6,
7,
7,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Perfect. Now let's have a little fun quiz. How many cups of coffee are on this table?
2. One for you and one for me.
Correct. That's 2 cups of coffee.
English and coffee, my favorite combo.
Now let's learn the days of the week. These are very important. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Nice. So, how many days are in a week?
7.
Good. Which day do you like best?
Sunday, of course. No work, just sleep and movies.
Me too. Sunday is my lazy day. Now let's talk about objects, things we see every day.
Like my cup.
Exactly. This is a cup.
This is a cup.
This is a phone.
This is a phone.
This is a table.
This is a table.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
Perfect. And now, look around your room, everyone. Point to things and say their names in English.
That's actually fun. I can see a lamp, a book, and my laptop.
Great. Say it like this. This is a lamp. This is a book. This is a laptop.
This is a lamp. This is a book. This is a laptop.
Good pronunciation, Ryan.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
And it shows. Okay, now let's talk about food. My favorite topic.
Of course. You always talk about food.
I can't help it. Food makes me happy. So, let's start. Apple,
Apple,
banana,
banana,
bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
chicken.
chicken.
Good. Now, let's make sentences. I like apples.
I like apples.
I like rice.
I like rice.
What about you, Ryan? What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Of course you do. Everyone loves pizza. Okay, drinks next. Water,
Water,
juice,
juice,
milk,
milk,
coffee.
coffee. My favorite word.
Haha, I knew that. Let's make sentences. I drink water.
I drink water.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
See? Simple and useful.
This is fun. I feel like I'm learning without stress.
That's exactly what learning should feel like. Now let's talk about daily activities, the things we do every day.
Like waking up late.
Yes, that too. Let's start. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come home.
I come home.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Perfect. Now, can you make your daily routine, Ryan?
Sure. I wake up at 8. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I drink coffee. And then I go to work.
Excellent. See? You're already speaking English in full sentences.
Wow, that's cool. I didn't even realize it.
That's the magic of Talk Café English, learning without stress.
Mia, can I ask something?
Sure, what's up?
Sometimes I forget words. Is that normal?
Totally normal. Everyone forgets. Even I do. The secret is practice. Speak a little English every day, even to yourself.
Like talking to the mirror?
Yes, or to your coffee cup. Good morning, cup.
That sounds funny, but useful.
It really helps. The more you use English, the easier it gets.
You know, I used to think learning English was boring.
And now?
Now, I think it's kind of fun, especially with coffee and laughs.
That's what I like to hear. Let's do a little review before we go. Ready?
Let's do it.
Greetings, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Got it.
Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Easy.
Days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Objects cup, phone, table, chair, lamp, book, laptop.
Yep.
Food apple, banana, bread, rice, chicken.
delicious.
Drinks: water, milk, juice, coffee.
Coffee forever.
And daily activities: wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, go to sleep.
Perfect.
You did great today, Ryan. And everyone listening, give yourself a clap. You learned a lot.
I feel proud, honestly.
You should. English is a journey, and every word you learn is a step forward.
Thanks, Mia. And thanks for the coffee.
Anytime, Ryan. And thank you, everyone, for joining us here at Talk Café English.
Don't forget to follow